Hello, this is Lyle, and today we're going to be talking about funnels, sales funnels specifically. I know a lot of people have been asking me questions like, how do I do a sales funnel? What is a sales funnel? Can I make more money with a sales funnel? Yes, yes, yes. I'll give you all the answers to that in just a second. Okay, so let's talk funnels. You may have seen an advertisement for ClickFunnels or one of these products that tells you a funnel. Basically, a funnel is a sequence. It is a customer journey. I want you to think like that. When you think of a sales funnel, it's a different way of thinking about things, but I want you to think about it as your customer journey. So I got a picture here on the top, and I'm sorry, I'll give credit down below where I got this. I really don't remember where I got this. I just clipped it off somewhere a long time ago. A funnel, but you think about it, a lot of people can come on the top, but as you get to the bottom, you have less and less people. That's why they call it a funnel. It's kind of like what you use in your kitchen. You're going to put a lot of stuff at the top and little stuff comes at the bottom. That's just how it works. But this is the stages that your customer is going to go through. They're going to start with an exploration page. Think about it. Today's market, everybody's going online and searching people. If I need a lawyer, I'm going to search lawyers online. I'm going to search these people. I'm going to be exploring them. Then I'm going to have to make a decision. Which of these lawyers do I like best? So that's going to take me to the buyer stage or the decision-making stage. Then I'm eventually going to purchase, and then we want to keep track of those people, get reviews, and get connected to those people a little deeper. So this is a good example of a funnel. You start with a plan. You reach out to people, ask them to take action, you convert them into the sales process, and then you engage them in a step-by-step process. Now, I'm going to step back for just a second. I'm going to show you the simplest sales funnel in the world. You ready? Do you want fries with that? That's it. That's a sales funnel. You go into McDonald's, you buy a burger, and they say, do you want fries with that? You say, sure, I want fries with that. They've just created a sales funnel. They've just given you a second option. Now they say, well, would you like just to make that combo order? Only 50 cents more. Now you've got a whole combo. So you came in for a hamburger, which is actually a higher cost for them, and they've just showed you two low-cost items with higher profit margins. Pretty cool, huh? That is a simple sales funnel. So I want you to understand how that works. So if you understand this process, exploration, decision-making, purchase, and then advocacy, if you understand plan, reach, act, and convert, you'll understand a sales. Okay, so let's talk about a sales funnel. We're going to start with a program I use called Funnelytics. It's a free program. They have a free version. They do have an upgraded version, but it's Funnelytics. You can look that up online, or you can go app.funnelytics.io. And that'll set you up. So this is a basic funnel. So let's just pretend for a second that this is your website here. Now people are going to come to your website. How are they going to come to your website? Maybe they search online and they find your website. Maybe you have some kind of ads out there and those ads are sending them to your website. So right there is where most people stop. They have a simple funnel that says, come to my website, come to my website, come to my website, come to my website, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. That is not a sales funnel. You hear me? That is not a sales funnel. A sales funnel is what you do once you get them there. How do you engage that person? How do you take them to that next level? So maybe you're going to offer them a free report right here. Okay, now a free report, you can do a free report on any topic. Let's say that you're a roofer. It could be the top 10 ways to save on your next roof, or top things you need to know before hiring a roofing company. It's a free report, but in order to get the free report, they have to give you their email address. This allows you to connect to them. They're buying into this free report, the idea and the concept behind this free report, by giving you their email address. Let me show you what that looks like. They're going to come from AdWords or from searching online. They're going to go to your website. You're going to offer a free report. They're going to give you their email address, and then you're going to send them the free report. Now, a lot of people say, why would I do that? Why would I give them something for free? Because it's valuable and it sets you up in their mind as an expert. You're now seen as an authority on the subject that you've written this document on. It could be a 5-page PDF that you've created on a Word document and posted on your website. It could be that simple. Now, when you give them this free report, you're going to have a thank you page. A thank you page is just something that tells them, hey, thanks for getting this thing. We're going to be sending you some reports. We're going to be sending you our newsletter, whatever the case may be. So this free report will go to a thank you page. You follow me? All right, now a thank you page, you have to ask yourself, what do I want them to do on this thank you page? What's the next step in their journey? Maybe you want to send them to a survey. Maybe you want to say, you want to ask them about their house. You would send them from the thank you page to the survey. Or maybe you want to send them to some more information. Maybe you say you're a roofer and you have 10 things you need to know about finding a roofing company. Maybe you have a blog post that says how to save money on it. So then you would send them from your thank you page to this blog post. or maybe you have a webinar or a sales video. Whatever it is that you have that's that next step becomes the journey this customer is taking on. All these are easy to do if you have your website. Again, your website is your marketing hub. That's where people come. Today's digital world, they may come into your location, but more than likely they're going to look you up online before they come to your location. So make sure you know what they're doing when they get there and offer them something of value. It is important for this to be valuable. You can't just say, this is my 10-piece report telling you why I'm important. That can't be it. It's got to add value, give specific value. So when they do come to this thank you page, they're going to see you as an expert and they're going to want to take one of these actions that you've chosen. This is when it becomes a sales funnel. They've come to your website, you've offered something of value, you've given them something additional, and then you've created a sequence, maybe an email sequence that takes them through the process of helping them understand how to make that buying decision. Remember that graphic we showed you earlier? Let's pull that back up. What you want to do now is you want to get them from this exploration stage to the decision-making stage, and you want to be the top of mind. If you're the first person they think of when they think of roofing or whatever your topic is, then you're going to be the top of mind awareness. So you're going to, when they go to make that decision, they're going to know exactly who to go to. It's going to be you. So this right here is where a lot of people drop the ball. They say, come to my webpage, buy, 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 but they never offer something of value. So if you want to understand a sales funnel, always offer something of value. It could be your blog post, could be videos, could be a training, could be a 3-part video training that you send on email. It's real simple to set up once you understand how it works. So hopefully this gives you a broad overview of what a sales funnel is and how you can use it for your business no matter what kind of business you're in. If you have any questions, leave comments below or get in touch with me on my business. I look forward to talking to you. Have a great day. Bye.